Hi everybody, I come on here to tell you how I made some candy tonight. Um, we're vegan, so these are the marshmallows that I use. They're called candies. They are vegan marshmallows. Um, I also use PB2, which is an alternate form for peanut butter. They take most of the fat out and then they leave it in this powdered form. Now you can mix water with it to make regular creamy peanut butter. But in this case, I mixed it with some confectioner's sugar, and then I added my water to make like a ball. I also used whole cashews, raw. You can get these at Walmart, and I got the kind with no oil added. Now you get to yourself 2 pots, okay? I use this pot here. Now what I did was I filled it to about right there with water. I bring it to a boil. Then I put this pot on top of it. This makes like a Dutch oven. Then you get a whisk, and you can put your chocolate in and whisk it around. Now I just used little chocolate morsels like you would make in chocolate chip cookies. I forgot to bring them out, but I'll show you that. Okay, here's the chocolate morsels I use. Now these I buy in bulk so that it's a little cheaper in price. But you can use any type of chocolate morsel as long as they're vegan. Okay? Now, you get your chocolate heated up. In the meantime, while that's heating, you're going to take your peanut butter or your PB2 here, and you're going to mix it with powdered sugar, and you're going to add some water. And now what you want to be able to form a ball with it. So you do that until you can fill it with your hands and roll it, with your hands together, and you're going to roll it into a ball. Don't forget to use some wax paper or something that is, or you can use parchment paper and line a pan. And you're going to put your little balls on there. And you take a marshmallow, and then I like them small, so you cut them in half this way, long ways. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take the peanut butter and you're going to put it on top of one of the marshmallows. Once your chocolate's hot and ready to go, you're just going to take it in your hand and you're going to dip it into the chocolate. And then you're going to put it on your pan with a toothpick in the middle. The toothpick will help it so that it doesn't fall over. Okay? And then I also took the cashews and I laid them out on a plate. And then I took my chocolate and I drizzled it over top. And to get a drizzle effect, you get your whisk and you put it in there and you mix it up and then you whisk it over top. I kind of wish that I would have started the video when I was making it, but I want to show you the end result. Okay, so here's what my cashews look like. And when you break it, you can break them up into however many pieces you want. You can have them small if you want small, or you could leave it large like that. See, they're stuck together. Okay, and that's on wax paper, and just drizzled your chocolate over top of your cashews. Now here's the creation I made. You see, you got your marshmallow and your peanut butter, and then you dipped it in the chocolate. Here is just the marshmallow dipped in the chocolate. Now, of course, you take these out when you go to eat them, the toothpicks. But what's nice about the toothpicks is when you eat it, you can either eat it sideways like that, or you can eat it from the bottom. And it was really tasty that way, eating it from the bottom, and then you're getting all the flavors mixed in. Okay, that is about all I have for you guys. But this is really an inexpensive way to make yourself some candy, to stay vegan, and have fun with it. You can do whatever you like. I also, after I dipped mine, I also took and drizzled the chocolate over top too. So you can see the little drizzly mark. It's fun to make candy, and if you can do it safely and vegan, um, it's really good. I mean, what I did for Christmas, I didn't have the marshmallows, but I made the peanut butter PB2 balls and dipped the chocolate in all the way around and made them like chocolate peanut butter balls. And I used to love the original kind that I used to make with butter, but this is an alternative way that you don't need butter, you don't need margarine, and vegan, you wouldn't use butter anyhow, but margarine, you could, you know, there is vegan margarine. I'll show you that in case you don't know what that looks like. Okay, this here's vegan. This one here. So I can't believe it's not butter. And it's good on toast. We don't really use it for anything other than I have been using it lately to butter pans, like if I'm baking something that calls for non-stick. If I don't use parchment paper, once in a while I'll use the butter, the margarine, and I put it, take it on like paper towel and I wipe it across my pan. But yep, you can get this in any grocery store. And you can see that it's totally vegan. So don't let anybody say to you that you can't have fun being vegan. You can do pretty much everything that you would do being non-vegan. The only thing that we're doing here is we're saving animals from unfortunate and unnecessary death. There's a lot of animals out there and they suffer so much so that people could have ham and steak and whatever. But you don't need that. You don't need that to live. I've been vegan now since 2016. I had to think about it for a minute. Since 2016, and I eat just what everybody else eats. I just don't use the meat, cheese, dairy, that type of thing. Okay, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little video. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Okay, everybody, stay safe and healthy out there. Bye-bye till next time.